Okay, we're this is what day 24, and we are heading to Astoria. We're leaving Lincoln City, and we're heading to Astoria. Now, keep in mind, Astoria is a stopping point for us. Our goal right now is to get to Olympic National Park here. And so we're going to drive from Lincoln City to Astoria. Then from Astoria, we'll jump up to Lincoln Olympic National Park here. It's rainy, as you can see, and well, come along. Driving again up the Oregon coast on 101, and it's been a very pleasant drive. Uh, it's just been really awesome. I hope you can hear me. It's very windy out here. You can probably see the ocean waves. It's just awesome. We're on our way to Astoria, and we just stopped at this viewpoint here. Wow, look at this. Look at this view here. Look at that view. You see the waves? It's cold and windy here right now. Actually, not real cold, but it's windy. What's interesting here is you're driving, you see all these tsunami warning signs, and there are signs periodically showing the evacuation route you're supposed to take and all that. But by God, I don't know where you're supposed to go if a tsunami really hit this place. We have a visitor to our country. Mademoiselle, what country are you from?
Norway?
She's from Norway, okay? She's far away from the Atlantic.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
And
Oh,
Pacific, huh?
yeah, look at that.
What?
Yeah. You can imagine the water being very cold. Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Now we're heading to Astoria, which is a major port in the early America. So we hope to visit. Oh, by the way, we're going to be stopping at the Lewis and Clark Museum. Astoria is one of the stops they made on their journey out west. So, in any case, we'll find out more when we hit the museum. Just want to share this little snippet of our trip here. Signing out. Okay, we're in the restaurant Mo for fish and chip. Well, we had lunch at Mo. We had fish and chip, at least I did. Any case, it was just so-so. I wouldn't necessarily recommend that place. Any case, you can see we're gassing up the car before we go explore some beaches here in Oregon. and we're going to be crossing the Astoria Bridge here. It's quite a long bridge. I think it's about 4 miles or so. The bridge is 4 miles. In any case, you can see we're crossing it here now, and it's kind of fun in a way. And we're going to be heading to, I think there's a state park here called Fort Stevens State Park. And they have a number of bridges and not bridges, but beaches that we can explore. And we'll take you along and show you what we see here. Any case, well, we're enjoying our trip immensely here, and we haven't checked into a campsite yet, but we will soon. Okay, we're at this spit area, but they're doing some construction, so obviously we can't get to the ocean and take a view. But we just saw this wildlife viewing bunker, and so Miss Explorer and I are going to walk down this pathway here and see what we can find. It's a pretty area here. This kind of reminds, oh, look at these forests here. Boy, these trees are different. Aren't they different? Look at this, look at this. Oh, this is a very nice little walk here. Thank goodness. It reminds me of the little walk we were in Arkansas. Let's see where this goes. I don't think it's very long. And as you can see, Miss Explorer is way ahead of me here right now. It's okay. Oh, wow. It's windy here, and oh wow, that may be a bay. There we are here. Oh yeah.
So that's the bunker.
That's the bunker? Oh. Was this for battle?
No, for
Hiking?
hunting.
Oh. Look at this wilderness area here. Look at this beautiful tall grass. Oh yeah. Oh, see the beach over there? Yeah, hey, listen, I may get my little, oh, there's a crane of some kind there. See it? See it in the water? All right, let's see. Yeah. Let's see if the audio's better now here, huh? There's a crane there, and this is probably an inlet of some kind where the water flows in.
Yeah.
And it's windy. You can see Cindy's here just flopping in the wind. The birds don't seem very disturbed by it. Like, look, he's hunting. He's hunting for something. He's got his, every once in a while you'll see his neck extend out. He's gonna peck on something. Oh, wow. Well, this is awesome here. Here we are on the coast of Oregon, all the way from Knoxville, Tennessee. Yeah.
Okay. You want to go back to the car?
No, I'm not ready to go back to the car.
I'm going to look at the bunker.
Okay. She's going back, so I'm going back. Okay. Okay. Here we are. So this is where people stay?
Well, that's my guess.
Wow, that's a pretty serious bunker, let me tell you. It's all cement. Oh, wow, here's pictures identifying the wildlife in this area. Shorebirds of Oregon. Wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 24. Wow, maybe almost 50 types of birds. Here's a picture of a drawing of a crown here. Okay. Well, we're gonna head back. So, that was a fun little excursion. All right. I guess we're gonna head back to our car. Where are we gonna explore next?
Up here.
Up here, okay.
You want me to drive?
No, that's okay. You better tell me where to go. Oh, look at this vegetation. Just so nice. Look at this fern. Look at the ground. Very nice. Okay. Okay, we're at another parking area to see if we can get a view. I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's a bunch of rocks over here. Let me see if I can show. See those rocks over there? It's all fenced in, and you can see all the heavy-duty equipment on this side here. And they're doing some construction again. Obviously, they're doing repair work, and I guess that has to be done. Maybe they're getting ready for the summer vacation stuff and all that. This is closed, unfortunately, where we can climb up and get a better view. But I'm gonna walk up here and let's see what we can see once we get to high ground. Oh boy, you can certainly hear. Whoa, whoa. You see that? Look at the ocean. Look at the ocean, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, wow. Don't fall in. It's windy here. Amazing. This is why we travel from Tennessee to the Pacific Ocean. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you see this, folks? Oh, look who's there. Oh.
Can you take a picture of me with my camera?
Okay. Here, hurry up. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, great. Awesome. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, folks. You hear that? Oh. Look at these beautiful, beautiful waves. Again, we're on the coast of Oregon. The wind is blowing it. Believe me, it's hard for me to just hold this thing still. I think my microphone is on. Yeah, I think it's on. In any case, whoa, look at that, look at that. Look at those wave hits over there. Oh my goodness gracious. This is really something to see and be.
you can see it's pretty remote here. There's no one here right now. And this is a state park, I believe. Yeah, it is a state park. So they're doing construction. I'm gonna walk down further here. It's too bad they don't have a place where we can just sit. I could just sit here and watch the waves come in and go out and come in and go out. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, look at that. We're coming here. Oh, see a dump truck over there? There's a dump truck over there. Obviously moving rocks, doing something. Look at all the rocks they're moving in, the stones, all this stuff. Just amazing. Oh. Well, I'm showing you this so to share this small moment in our journey and of kind of the things we're seeing here right now. And we seem to have two new visitors come up this area. There's Cindy. I think she's getting cold. And believe me, the wind is blowing. And but I tell you, it's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. I think we're gonna probably head back. Well, for all you, my friends and family, who don't have the opportunity to come to the coast of Oregon and see the Pacific Ocean in person, I hope you will delight in seeing what I can possibly share here right now. Obviously, you don't feel the wind, but I think you can hear it. And it's quite, yeah, it's, I tell you, it'd be kind of scary if the water started coming up really high right now. So there she is. She's standing way over there, Miss Camera Girl. And I'm gonna go up there right now. I know she wants to go back, get in the car. So we will probably head back. Maybe we'll check into our campsite and see what happens. All right. Wow. One last glimpse of the ocean here. Here it is. All right. Okay. Okay. Signing out. God bless and God save America. Okay, Cindy found another trail along Fort Stevens for us to explore and take a look at. It doesn't seem to be locked up or anything, so we're gonna do this trail, which according to Cindy is very doable, and we'll see what we find. There are signs talking about beware of rip current and stay off logs and watch for sneaker waves and beware of incoming tides. So there may be some ocean we can see from here. I will let Cindy lead the way. She's getting me into trouble anyway, so here we go. You can hear the ocean a little bit. I'm sure you can. Wow, look at this forest you're walking through. Very different than the Smokies, I'll tell you that right now. The West Coast is very different than the East Coast. Can you hear the ocean? I hope the mic is picking it up, but I don't expect this to be too long, but we'll see. I can hear it real clear. Okay, we're at a point we're gonna go up a little hill, and I'm sure when we get to the top, we're gonna have a good view, let's hope. Let's see what we will see. Oh boy, the last few feet up there looks steep, but we can do it. I'm doing this all for you guys, and also so I can be close to Cindy and watch after her. I don't know if you can tell how steep this is. It's really quite a steep. I'm cinching down my hat because it is windy here. You can see Cindy struggling. The sand is deep. My calves are burning, but I'm doing this for you guys. Up, up, up I go. Up, up, up I go. Boy, this thing sinks. Whoa. Watch out.
The trouble is the sand blows.
Oh yeah.
It's blowing a little bit in our face.
Yeah, well, we're up here.
Come in and look.
I don't want to go down.
No.
I'm not sure I can get back up.
Yeah. We could,
Okay. I think the other place was easier to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sand is hitting my face right now.
Yeah.
I'm being pelted.
Let's go back. We'll
Okay.
try the next area.
Okay. Yeah, see? Climbing down. The sand is very soft. I don't know if you can tell. Well, you probably can't tell. In any case, that was fun. See the view here? This is all we see here. This is amazing. This is what we are looking at. Okay. All right. You heard Cindy. On to the next view. We'll get back. Here we are now going up Trail A. We started off with C, then we went to B, and now we are at A. And you see ahead of me there is Cindy. Again, we're walking uphill. The sand is not as soft or shifty as B, but it's still loose. In any case, I can hear the ocean a little bit. Let's see what we will see once we get to the top. You see where Cindy is? What do you see?
Ocean.
Okay, ocean. We got water, folks. Whew. Again, the sand is blowing little fine grains of sand. I got some in my mouth earlier. Look at that. Okay. I think I'm getting stung in the neck.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay. We're retreating right now.
Yeah, we're retreating.
Beach sand being blown at you with, I don't know, 10, 15 miles wind. Who knows?
More than that, 40, 50 miles.
40, 50, that's what Cindy says, is not a lot of fun. Still beautiful, but I don't have anything to wrap against my face or whatever. In any case, I tell you what, I think A was an outstanding opportunity for us to see the Pacific Ocean. Now, we've seen it earlier, last couple days, and it's just been outstanding here. Of course, driving up the coast of Oregon is different than driving up the coast of California. Both beautiful in different ways. Oregon has its pluses, California has its pluses. But either way, we've enjoyed coming up Oregon very much so. It's been a real treat as part of our journey across the country here. We are truly blessed with the beautiful, beautiful country. All right. God bless and God save the Republic. Get back later. We are at another beach where you'll see a shipwreck. And there's Cindy, I think. Here, let me find Cindy here. I think there's Cindy over there. It's hard to hear. Heck, it's hard to see. The wind is just blowing. How are you?
Well, it's cold.
Great. Oh. You got a vicious pit bull there.
Pardon me?
You got a vicious pit bull. Oh, wow. Hey, puppy. Here we are at the beach here. Oh, there's a remnant of the shipwreck. Yeah. You see a way of getting down?
What, honey?
You see a way of getting down?
I think over here.
Over here, okay, yeah. Again, we're on the Oregon coast of the Pacific Ocean. What other ocean would it be, huh? What other ocean would it be? The camera right now is following Cindy, and it's doing a very good job. So wherever Cindy goes, the camera follows. And it's better than what I can do because it's hard for me to see right now. But you can see the ocean back there. Now, obviously, this water, it's, what is it, today's May, no, it's June, whatever. June 2nd, 3rd, whatever. It's summer, or getting close to summer. But obviously, up this far north, the water is too cold to just go in it, have a relaxing dip. You'll probably need some kind of a swimsuit or something. There we are. Oh, here's a shipwreck here. Yeah. That gave a little relief from the wind. This provides some buffer here. Yeah, awesome. 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 I'm gonna get a picture here. Very cool. All right, I'm just filming here. I'm a little closer to the water here. You can really hear the waves make its noise. And there's Cindy. And as far as your eyes can see, you can see the coastline. It's just magnificent. Really, really fun to be here to see this. Okay, well, what do you think?
Oh, wow. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Very cool. All right. We've seen the ocean here. It's the Pacific Ocean again on the coast of Oregon. And we're probably going to head over to our camp now, which is the KOA not very far from here. Isn't this awesome? And we're glad we could share this experience with you. Again, we're going to be heading up to Mount Olympia, and again, we'll probably see the ocean up there near the Canada border with the United States, where the Pacific goes into a peninsula here. When we get there, we'll probably record that as well and share that experience if we can. All right, God bless and God save the Republic.